Hey friends, I'm so excited to share our renovated game room with you today. But first, if you're new here, welcome to my channel, Dori Turner Interiors, and I share DIY home projects and decor ideas that you can easily recreate in your own home. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss anything. All the links I mentioned in this video can be found below in the description box. Also, I want to give you a free copy of my 7 tips to choosing the perfect paint color for your space. Get yours by clicking the link below. Today I'm so excited to take you on the full transformation of this space. This used to be my kids' playroom, but they're all teenagers now and we needed this space to reflect their current interests. We asked them to make a list of what they'd like to have in a game room and took our cues from them. We've totally reinvented it into the ultimate family game room, complete with comfy lounge spots, gaming gear, a snack fridge, and cozy accessories. So let's dive in. First things first, my hubby tackled the flooring. We went with a luxury vinyl plank because it's durable, waterproof, and it looks like real hardwood. If you want the full step-by-step on how he installed it, you can check out our luxury vinyl plank flooring review here. We also installed it throughout the rest of our house. Next step was the paint. My kids were adamant that they wanted something teal, kind of a bluish greenish color in the game room, so I ordered a handful of samples from Sample Eyes to test different shades on the wall. We all agreed on Aegean teal. It's rich but still bright enough to feel playful. Then I decided to go bold and color drench the entire room. The walls, the ceiling, and the trim all in Aegean teal. It creates so much drama and really adds depth to the space. My husband used a paint sprayer to spray the whole room so that we could color drench with the Aegean teal, and it looks fantastic. Next, we took a shopping trip for the perfect couch. The kids fell in love with the Linden customizable sectional in gray. We chose the 2-piece option with a chase lounge to fit our layout. It's plush, it's modern, it's super flexible. If you want the full review, including an adorable kids interview on why they picked the Linden, then check out our Linden sectional review video on the channel. Next, we purchased a cozy white and gray 8x10 area rug from Amazon that would be comfortable underfoot, and also if we had extra guests that needed to sit on the floor, it would be cozy for that as well, and you can check that out in the description. Underneath our wall-mounted TV, we added 2 sleek entertainment consoles that I also purchased from Amazon. They went together really easily and they're perfect for corralling board games, game controllers, all the family game night essentials. It's both stylish and functional, and we've really enjoyed having these pieces in this space. Next up, no game room is complete without snacks, right? We picked up a Frigidaire mini fridge with freezer. It's just the right size for soda cans and ice cream and popsicles. We can keep chips on top in a little bin. And now the kids can grab refreshments without racing to the kitchen. It's been great when the kids have friends over too. You can also check out that review video on the fridge. For epic movie nights and immersive video gaming, we installed blackout curtains on just a sleek black rod. They block out the glare and the room feels super cozy in the evenings. I purchased both of those, the rod and the curtains, on Amazon as well, and you can check that out in the description. We also carved out a corner for my oldest son's PS5, complete with a compact gaming desk, an ergonomic chair, and we moved our Wii into the game room so the whole crew could play together or host friends. My youngest has an Oculus. He can play with his friends in here as well, so it's got a little something for all the gamers. To make the space truly theirs, we had photos taken of the kids in their sports uniforms and framed them on the wall. I also added a woven basket for extra throw pillows and blankets. The company Barabee sent over one of their knitted weighted blankets. The kids love this weighted blanket, cozying up watching a movie. I grabbed 2 matching cozy ottomans from Target to tie it all together. The mustard color of the ottomans and the Barabee weighted blanket really contrast with the beautiful Aegean teal and ties everything together. It looks really nice. Finally, the kids wanted some cool lighting, so I found LED corner floor lamps on Amazon with a handy remote control. They add to the feeling of the space, and you can change modes or brightness without leaving your seat. Since there's no overhead lighting in the room, we also added an arced floor lamp for when my daughter wants to lounge and read a book on the sofa, or for just some extra lighting. And there you have it, our brand new family game room. From the bold teal walls and the dramatic ceilings with the color drenching to all the comfy seating and the gamer gear, every detail came together to create a space that my kids love. It's stylish, it's functional, and it's just plain fun. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you loved this transformation, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. All the products I mentioned, plus the links to the how-to videos and freebies are down in the description box. And don't forget to grab your free copy of my 7 tips to choosing the perfect paint color for your space. It's packed with everything I've learned over the years to help you pick the perfect color every time. I'll see you next time with more DIY projects and decor inspirations.